Okay, today our problem is evaluate integral within limits 0 to 1, integral within limits root of 1 minus x square, integral within limits root of 1 minus x square minus y square xyz dz dy dz. Here we notice that the limits of third integration are in the function of x and y. Therefore, we have to consider these limits as z is equal to 0 to z is equal to root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Therefore, here is y is equal to 0 to root of 1 minus x square, because here the limit is in the function of x. Therefore, we are already considered z. Therefore, we have to consider y is equal to 0 to root of 1 minus x square. Here x equals to 0 to 1, xyz dz dy dx. Okay, now since this is z is equal to 0 to root of 1 minus x square minus y square, first we integrate this function with respect to x, with respect to z, because the limits are z is equal to 0 to root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Therefore, integral value of z is z square by 2. Z square by 2. What are the limits? 0 to root of 1 minus x square minus y square. 0 root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay, dy dx. Okay, now let us replace with the upper limit. What is the upper limit? Root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Z square root of 1 minus x square minus y square whole square, that is 1 minus x square minus y square by 2, minus, let us replace z with 0, that is 0 square by 2. Therefore it's the term will become 0. Therefore we have integral with the limit 0 to 1, integral with the limit root of 1 minus x square xy by 2, 1 minus x square minus y square dy dx. Okay, now since limits are y is equal to 0 to root of 1 minus x square, we have to integrate this function with respect to y. Okay, since we are integrating with respect to y, we will assume x as a constant. Okay, therefore 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 is constant, integral with the limit 0 to 1, integral with the limit root of 1 minus x square. Okay, here multiply xy into 1 xy minus xy into x square, x cube y minus xy into y square, xy cube dy dx. Now integrating now with respect to y, keeping x as constant, we have xy, integral value of xy is x into y square by 2 minus x cube into y square by 2 minus x into y power of 4 by 4. Okay, limits are 0 to root of 1 minus x square. Now let us replace y with root of 1 minus x square. Okay, here y square means 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square whole square minus x cube y square, x cube into root of 1 minus x square whole square. Okay, minus x into y power of 4, root of 1 minus x square whole square, root of 1 minus x square whole power of 4, its value is 1 minus x square whole square. Okay, now multiply 1 minus x square with x and 1 minus x square with x cube and 1 minus x square whole square with x by 2. After multiplication we get x into 1 x minus x into x square, x cube minus x cube into 1 x cube plus minus to minus plus x cube into x square x power of 5 minus, first of all split this function by using the formula a minus b whole square, where a is 1, b is x square, that is we get 1 plus x square whole square minus 2 into x square. Okay, Then after multiplication with x by 2 we get x by 2 minus x power of 5 by 2 plus x cube dx. Okay, after simplification of this function we get 3 term function, that is x by 2 minus x cube plus x power of 5 by 2. Now since the limits are x equals to 0 to x is equal to 1, we have to integrate this function with respect to x. Okay, finally integrating with respect to x, we have integral value of x is x square by 2 into 2 x square x square by 2 minus x power of minus x square by 2 into 2 and x square by 4, it is x square by 4 minus this is 4. Okay, wrong, it is wrong, 2 is wrong, it is 4 minus x power of 4 by 4, x power of 4 by 4 plus x power of 5 by 2 into 5, x power of 5 by 2 x power of 6 by 2 into 6, 12. Okay, draw the limits 0 to 1. After application of these limits we get 1 by 4 into, replace x with 1 square by 2, 1 square by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. Replace x with 0, 0 square by 2 minus 0 by 4, 0 power of 6 by 12, 0. Therefore on replacing with 0 in place of x we get 0 10. Therefore we have it 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. Okay, on solving this we get 1 by 48. Here let consider LCM. Here LCM is 12. Okay, by taking LCM solve it, we get finally 1 by 8. Okay, now let us go to the second problem. The problem is evaluate trivial integral or volume integral xy plus yz plus zx dx dy dz where capital V is the region of space bounded by x equals to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 3. Notice that these are all constant. Therefore we can choose limits in any way. For example, in this we are considering in this way, that is x equals to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 2, z is equal to 0 to 3. Okay, if you choose y is equal to 0 to 2 in the third integral, there is no problem. Okay, because all limits are constant, we can choose in any way. Okay, here function is xy plus yz plus zx dx dy dz. Since we choose the third integral limits as x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1, we integrate this function with respect to x first. Xy, integral value of xy is x square by 2 into y plus xyz, integration of yz with respect to x is xyz because yz is constant, plus z is constant. X, integral value of x is x square by 2, z into x square by 2, limits are 0 to 1 dy dz. Okay, z is equal to 0 to 3, y is equal to 0 to 2. Okay, after applying the upper limit, that is replace x with 1, we get 1 square by 2, 1 by 2, y by 2 plus 1 into yz, that is yz plus z into x square, z into 1 square, z by 2 minus, now replace x with 0. Okay, plus 0 square by 2 into y plus 0 into yz plus 0 into z by 2. Total term will become 0 with on replacing with 0. Therefore integral with the limits. Now we have to integrate this function with respect to y because For the second integration, inner limits are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 2. Okay, therefore now let us integrate with respect to y. Integral value of y is y square by 2, y square by 2 into 2y square by 4 plus y square z by 2 plus z by 2 is constants, therefore its integral value is yz by 2 with respect to y. Limits are 0 to 2, limits are 0 to, okay. On replacing y with 2, we get 2 square by 4, that is 4 by 4 1 plus 2 square, that is 4 by 2, that is 2z plus 2z by 2, okay, that is this, that is z is equal to 0 to 3 1 plus 2z plus z dz, okay. Integral within limits 0 to 3, adding 2z and z we get 1 plus 3z dz. Now since the limits are z is equal to 0, z is equal to 3, we have to integrate with respect to z. On integration we get integral value of 1 is z plus integral value of 3 into z square by 2, 0 to 3, okay. Apply upper limit and lower limit, we get this result, okay. Okay, now let us evaluate this third problem. Okay, third problem is integral within limit 0 to 1, integral within limit 0 to root of 1 minus x square. And third integral limits are 0 to root of 1 minus x square minus y square, 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square dz dy dx. Okay, here we notice that the limits of third integration are in the function of x and y. Okay, therefore you have to consider the limits as z is equal to 0 to z is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Therefore we have to integrate this function with respect to z. Okay, integral 0 to 1, integral with the limit 0 to root of 1 minus x square, we are integrating this function with respect to z. Okay, now we can write down this denominator as root of a square minus x square form, that is 1 by root over, we can write down this function, that is 1 minus x square minus y square, 1 minus x square minus y square as root of inner root of 1 minus x square minus y square whole square. Okay, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus y square whole square minus z square. Okay, 1 by root of square root of capital root inner root of 1 minus x square minus y square whole square minus z square. Therefore clearly it is of the form 1 by root of a square minus x square. Okay, integral dx by root of a square minus x square. Here a is root of 1 minus x square minus y square and x is z. Okay, but as per the formula, integration of dx by root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Okay, therefore integral with the limit 0 to 1, integral with the limit 0 to root of 1 minus x square, by the formula sin inverse of x by a, we get sin inverse of x is z. Okay, z by root of x by a means root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Here limits are 0 and root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay, lower limit is 0, upper limit is root of 1 minus x square minus y square dy dx. Okay, now let us apply upper limit and lower limit. Replace z with root of 1 minus x square minus y square. That is sin inverse of root of 1 minus x square minus y square by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. That is sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 minus, now here is lower limit 0. Okay, replace z with 0, that is 0 by root of 1 minus x square minus y square, that is sin inverse of 0. Therefore sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0, but sin inverse of 1 value is pi by 2, sin inverse of 1 value is pi by 2, and sin inverse of 0 value is 0. Okay, therefore we have integral with the limit 0 to 1, integral with the limits root of 1 minus x square, sin inverse of 1 value is pi by 2, minus sin inverse of 0 value is 0. Therefore pi by 2 dy dx is equal to, here pi by 2 is constant, therefore take it to the outside of the integral. Therefore pi by 2 into integral within limit 0 to 1. Here after taking pi by 2 to the outside, we have 1. Integral value of 1 is y with respect to y. Okay, what are the limits? 0 and root of 1 minus x square, 0 and root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, therefore pi by 2 into replace y with root of 1 minus x square, there is root of 1 minus x square, minus replace y with 0, minus 0, that is pi by 2 into integral with the limit 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now as per the formula integral 0 to 1 root of a square minus x square formula, we get this, that is pi by 2 into x by 2 into root of a square minus x square. Here he is 1 square minus x square, 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of x. Okay, sin inverse of x by a, but a is 1, sin inverse of x 0 1. Apply upper limit and lower limit. Okay, if we apply upper limit, replace x with 1 first, that is 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus 1 square, it will become 0. Okay, then minus apply 0 by 2 root of 1 minus x square, this will also become 0, therefore this term totally will become 0. Now apply upper limit and lower limit for this function, that is 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0. Here sin inverse of 1 when replacing x with 1, sin inverse of 0 when replacing x with 0, therefore 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0. Okay, 1 by 2 is constant, pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0, sin inverse of 0 value is 0, sin inverse of 1 value is pi by 2, therefore pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2, pi by 2 into pi by 4, that is pi square by 8. Okay, now solve this problem as your own. Okay.